Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you an amazing N8N automation that is a crypto quant AI agent that is built using N8N. So through this, I will go through the flow below, such as we are going to view the live demo of the automation. Then we are going to see the problem statement, the solution, the flow of the automation, and the step-by-step explanation of each node. So first of all, I would like you to view the live demo of the automation. So here we are on our N8N dashboard, and in this I have created this whole automation. So the process is very simple. You just need to ask about the token in which you are interested to invest, and then it will provide the answer based on the news as well as the candlestick bars that are provided on the Binance. So let us test the workflow. Let us say that I enter ETH, and if I see on the automation, this is running well. So this is now getting the crypto news article, as well as this has already get the candlesticks bar from the Binance API. And now the AI agent is analyzing this and compressing the information in a single message. And then I got a message on my Telegram. So here is my message on the Telegram. This automation has provided me this valuable result. So first, it has told about the token that I have used and have provided me the spot recommendations for the short term as well as the long term. It has also provided the lagging indicators, the MACD indicators, the primary signals, and the sentiment analysis about the token. And it has also provided me the long term strategy, the entry price, stop loss, take profit, or rationale. And for the leverage recommendations, it has provided me the short term information as well as for the long term information. And for that also, it has provided me the rationale through primary price signal actions and lagging indicators and sentiments and macro analysis. So let us see how we are going to make this. First of all, let us understand the problem statement. To make an informed decision while investing in crypto, we require candle data of 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day, and get the crypto news from around the world. And based on these data, we can predict if the price of the token would increase or would decrease. But searching each and every resource takes time, and due to volatile nature of the crypto market, this is not a feasible solution. So the solution that I have provided is better method would be to automate this process using an AI agent built using N8N. And here are the tools required. Binance API to fetch the candlestick data. This API is free for use. And then we are going to use the news API to fetch the crypto news, as well as the OpenAI API to do the analysis of the data. So here would be the flow of the automation. User would first enter the crypto token that it would require the automation to search for. And then we get the candlestick data from ranging from 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day. And then we also get the news data and provide the sentiments. Then all this data is now merged to a single data, and the data is fetched back to the user on the Telegram. So now let us understand the step-by-step explanation of each node. So here we are on our N8N platform, and if we see, here is the Telegram trigger. For the Telegram trigger, you need to add the Telegram account. If you are curious that how we are going to add the Telegram account, you can just see the docs, but let me tell you how can you create this. So for connecting your Telegram account, all you need to do is, so go to the bot father chat on your Telegram, and there you just need to enter the new bot command. The bot father then provides you some instructions. Then you just need to follow those instructions well. And after following all those instructions, a bot will be created for you. And here will be the HTTP API token for that. You just need to enter that token in the Telegram account. If you see, create a new credential, you need to enter the access token and the base URL will be the same. So after that, you just need to save that, and hence your Telegram bot will be connected. Then in the code node, I have just added the USDT part to each string, to each token that the user is asking, because USDT is the most common base price that all the tokens are based on. So after that, we are getting the data from the Binance API for the 15-minute candlestick data, for the 1 hour candlestick data, and for the 1 day candlestick data. So here you can just copy this command from this, and you just need to set the method to get. So this will provide you 200 items. And similarly for the 1 hour, this is going to provide the 200 items as well. So we just need to change these value. So here I have put as 1 hour value, and for the 1 day also, I have just changed this to 1 day, and I am using the same Binance API. And after that, you just need to get the crypto news article from the news API. So for this, you just need to go to the newsapi.org and everything. You can just copy this URL for your use and set the method to get. For the authentication type, keep as generic credential type, and for the generic auth type, keep it as query auth. For the news API account, you just need to click on the pencil, and then you just need to get the API token from that and keep the value as it is. So for getting the news API, you just need to search newsapi.org. So this will be opened, and after you just log in, you just need to get the API key, and for the header, you just need to set the API key and then paste your API token here. So once done, then you just need to enter this as the body. We are keeping this as 3 days before. So if today is 31, it is showing as 28th March. We are getting all the data, all the news related to the crypto that are 3 days before. And we are asking for the crypto, Bitcoin or Coindesk news. After this, we are passing the data through a code node, which reduces the data from 200 items to 5 items so that we can get the latest data from those items only. And this will also be easy for the LLM in order to get the sentiment analysis on that data. So for the filter news article, we are just filtering the filtered article. We are just getting the title and description because all other details are not relevant for us. So once this is done, we are then passing this to an LLM. We have provided this whole description for the LLM. You can just copy this, and I will provide this whole flow in the YouTube description. So you just need to set the role to system, and for the resource as text and operation message a model. Then I have used the model as ChatGPT 4o mini, and I have simplified the output and output content as JSON. So once this is done, I'm now merging all the candle data to one, and after that I'm providing the combined JSON data here. So all the candle data are now compressed to one data, and after that I'm then merging the news data as well as the candle data to one data, and then providing this to combined JSON data. So in this, I'm combining the data from the candlesticks and the data from the news articles. So after this is done, I am providing this data to the AI agent that is using ChatGPT model. And in the ChatGPT, I have provided this prompt as a user message. So you can just copy this, or I will also provide this in the description. So I have provided this that will get the short-term data, the long-term data, and I have provided a template for the message that this automation is going to provide me on Telegram. So these are all the details that the LLM will provide me, and after that we are splitting the Telegram message into two parts because Telegram message has a character limit of 400 characters, and after that I am going to provide that message to the Telegram. So this was the whole agent that I have created for crypto quant, and through this you can get the latest news about the crypto, as well as you can research for a particular crypto in which you are interested to invest in. And that was all about from me. And if you genuinely found value in this video, I would like to request you to please like the video, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more AI related stuffs. Till then,